Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. Are you ready to start making $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing? Even if you're just starting out? Whether you're looking to add an extra income stream or want to build a full-time business, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom. This is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and I have several other videos talking about affiliate marketing, which you can access in the link below. As always, stay until the end of the video as I always save the best for last. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any money-making opportunity. Let's kick things off with the basics. For those of you who are new in this world, I want to remind you of what affiliate marketing is. Essentially, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services online, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. The business gets a new customer, the customer gets a product or service they need, and you get paid for connecting the two. Best of all, you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or manage inventory. Here's how it works. First, you sign up for an affiliate program. You find a company or product that offers an affiliate program, and this could be anything from Amazon to a specialized online course provider. Number two, you get your unique affiliate link. Once you join the program, you'll get a unique tracking link that identifies you as the referrer. Number three, promote the product or service. Share your affiliate link on blogs, YouTube channel, social media, or email lists. And number four, earn commissions. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The amount can vary depending on the product and affiliate program. The more people you refer, the more money you make. And the best part, once you set up your affiliate links, they can keep generating commissions for you while you sleep. Now let's talk about how to reach that $1,000 per month milestone. First, you need to set realistic expectations. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see results, so be patient. But with the right strategies and persistence, you can absolutely make it happen. Here's a quick breakdown on how the numbers might look. Let's say you're promoting a product with a $100 price tag and a 10% commission rate. That's $10 for every sale that you make. To make $1,000 a month, you'd need to make 100 sales. Or if the product has a higher price point, like $500, you'd only need to make 20 sales at the same commission rate. Of course, commission rates and product prices vary, but understanding the math will help you set your targets and build your strategy. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is choosing the right niche. This is critical because the more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right audience. You want to focus on a niche that you're either passionate about or knowledgeable in. Not only will this make your marketing efforts more genuine, but it will also keep you motivated in the long run. For example, if you're into fitness, you could promote workout gear, supplements, or online training programs. If you love tech, you might review the latest gadgets or software. And if you're passionate about personal finance, you could promote budgeting tools or investment platforms. Pick a niche that you can consistently create content around and that has a range of products or services that you can promote. You also want to ensure there's demand in that niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or Uber Suggest to research potential opportunities. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is finding the right affiliate programs. The best programs offer a good commission rate, reliable tracking, and a variety of products or services to promote. Here are some popular affiliate networks to consider. Number one, Amazon Associates. This is one of the largest and most popular programs. While commissions are relatively low, usually between 1 to 5%, you can promote virtually anything sold on Amazon. Number two, Share a Sale. This network offers thousands of products across different niches, from fashion to home to tech. Number three, ClickBank. Known for digital products like online courses, software, and ebooks, ClickBank offers high commission rates, sometimes as high as 75%. And number four, CJ Affiliate and Impact. These networks connect you with the major brands and offer a wide variety of commission rates and products. Make sure to choose a program that fits your niche and audience. For example, if you're in the tech space, find affiliate programs that offer the latest gadgets, software, or services relevant to your followers. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, the next step is to create quality content that attracts an audience and drives traffic to your affiliate links. Here are some effective ways to create content for affiliate marketing. Number 1, blogging. Start a blog in your niche and write helpful, informative posts that solve problems for your audience. For example, if you're promoting tech gadgets, you could write reviews, comparisons, or how-to guides. Number 2, YouTube videos. Video is one of the most engaging forms of content. You can create product reviews, tutorials, or listicles, videos like Top 5 Best Tech Gadgets of 2024, with your affiliate links in the description. Number 3, social media. Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are great platforms for promoting affiliate products, especially if you create visually appealing content like product demos, lifestyle shots, or infographics. And number 4, email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters with helpful tips, product recommendations, and your affiliate links. The key is to create content that's valuable, authentic, and helpful to your audience. Don't just focus on selling, focus on helping, and the sales will come naturally. So you've created your content, but how do you get people to actually see it? The next step is driving traffic to your content and ultimately your affiliate links. Here are a few strategies to drive traffic. Number 1, SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your blog posts and YouTube videos for keywords that your target audience is searching for. Over time, this can help you rank higher in search engines and attract organic traffic. Number 2, social media promotion. Share your content across your social media channels to reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers, use relevant hashtags, and encourage shares. Number 3, paid ads. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads can help you reach a highly targeted audience quickly. Just make sure your ads are well targeted and aligned with your niche. Email marketing. Leverage your email list to drive traffic to new content or directly to your affiliate offers. Building and nurturing an email list can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Remember, traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. The more targeted traffic you can drive to your content, the more potential clicks and sales that you can generate. As you start promoting affiliate products and driving traffic, it's essential to track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics, your affiliate network's reporting dashboard, and even social media insights to monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions. Pay attention to which content, platform, and strategies are working best for you. If a particular blog post or YouTube video is driving a lot of sales, double down on that type of content. If a certain affiliate product isn't converting well, try promoting a different one. The key to long-term success in affiliate marketing is continuous optimization. Test different approaches, learn from your results, and refine your strategy as you go. Once you start seeing steady commissions, it's time to scale. Whether it's creating more content, expanding to new platforms, or exploring higher ticket affiliate programs, the goal is to increase your reach and revenue over time. If you're consistently making $100 a month, aim for 500 next. And once you hit 1,000, you can scale to 2,000 or even 5,000 per month with the right strategies. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to start earning passive income. And with dedication and the right approach, you can make $1,000 a month or more. Remember that success will not happen overnight, but if you stay consistent and focused, you'll see results. Start small, pick the right niche, create valuable content, and drive traffic to your affiliate links, and before you know it, you'll be generating income every month. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth guides like this one. Drop any questions that you have in the comments and let me know what affiliate program you're interested in promoting. Good luck with your affiliate marketing journey, and I'll see you in the next video.